Complete table tennis set. Everything you need to complete your table tennis collection in one convenient set. Set includes. This set comes with wooden table tennis paddles, standard table tennis balls, and a storage organizer to hold it all. Extra grip. These table tennis rackets are designed with pips-out covers to help put spin on the ball for maximum control. Standard table tennis balls. These one-star table tennis balls are made for premium play with consistent bounce without cracking. Storage included. Keep all the components organized neatly with the included table tennis accessory organizer. Top reviews from the United States. Virtually indestructible. Lasted 3 weeks. I get very upset playing table tennis, and as someone who owns a budget, $30, table tennis racket, I worry I will throw it across the room and break it or slam it on the table and wear off the edging. I bought these with the intention of throwing in my frustration, but was pleasantly surprised by the durability. The first 2 I bought lasted a surprising 3 weeks before one ended up broken by my knee and the other giving into the abuse of being slammed on the table, thrown at the wall, and overall just being abused. I reordered a second set and am hoping these will last me a while longer. Also, they work decently and make funny noises when they hit the ball, but forget trying to add spin, it's just impossible with the material they used. You get what you pay for, great for beginners and those that get angry.